Okay, so got a table here with all the specs on it. Right now I'm on the 3000, so you'll see 823 horsepower with all your dimensions up here. Quick look, the stack is 32. It's going to change, or it's 30 right now. We're going to go to the 3500, change it to 32. So everything's based off those charts. Here's my drawing. 823 horsepower, FBX 3000, description, part number, this spec chart, connection sizes, 30-inch there, 30-inch diameter on that stack, and there that is. So now we're going to change for a model. Here's the model. This is what they provided. This is the 1000. This is scaled up to be the 3000. Originally I had it so I had to input all of this data. I decided that took too long, so I wrote it even farther out. And now if I want to change to the 30. There we go. Go to the drawing. This is all going to update. And I just got to do quick update properties. All right, now 3500, 919.5 horsepower. Part numbers updated. Exhaust stack updated. Spec chart. 32-inch diameter on the stack. So there it is. It's fully configured to be able to bounce from each model to the next. For example, if I wanted to go all the way down to 150. Go. There's your 150. Drawing's not going to be quite as nice. Maybe a little itty bitty. But again, all the properties update, connection sizes, except for steam outlet, that son of a gun. And oh, that's why update properties. That's what I got to do. Update properties. There. Now all of that's updated. Steam outlet has now updated. 2-inch, 300-pound part numbers, all of that. Obviously, you got to do some scaling here, but fully configured.